How to delete Facebook account on iPhone. If you're looking to delete your Facebook account on an iPhone, or even just temporarily deactivate it, I've got you covered. First, open up the Facebook app on your iPhone and log into your account if you're not already logged in. This is where we'll start the process of either deactivating or permanently deleting your account. Next, go to Menu page. Now, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then, tap on Settings, click on Account Center, click Personal Details, then click on Account Ownership and Control. You'll see the Delete Your Account option pop up. Here's where you have a choice. You can either deactivate your account temporarily or delete it permanently. Let's talk about both. If you deactivate your account, your profile and all your information will be hidden, but Facebook keeps your data intact. You can easily reactivate it by logging back in at any time. On the other hand, if you want to delete your account permanently, Facebook will erase everything. Photos, posts, friends, everything. But there's a 30-day grace period. If you change your mind, you can recover your account and get everything back. After 30 days, though, all your data is gone forever. Once you've decided, tap on Delete Account. You'll be asked to enter your password for confirmation. This is Facebook's way of making sure you're really sure about your decision. If you chose permanent deletion, remember you've got 30 days to change your mind. Just log back into your account before the 30 days are up, and everything will be restored. After that, your account and all your data are gone for good. And that's it. You've now got the steps to delete or deactivate your Facebook account on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you out. If you found it useful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe. Thanks for watching.